Battle of vertical versus horizontal.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! All right, being aggressive right off the bat with Blackbird. Coming in after RoButt. We get the nice show of RoButt's decal right there in the side camera. This is an aggressive match from Blackbird, just pinning RoButt in the corner.
Blackbird, can you back out of there? Brett, doesn't separate the bots. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Stuck on the side. Can they get down from there? Blackbird's getting some shots in.
Oh, RoButt's back on the ground. Let's see if they can get moving. Man, this is a lot of early hits from Blackbird.
Listen to that grinding sound. Metal on metal. Oh! Finally, RoButt's down, but...
Oh!
Blackbird getting more shots in. RoButt get that bar spinned up.
Looks like RoButt's back up and moving.
Oh! Huge hit there.
Massive hit. Blackbird is not giving RoButt a chance.
And it looks like it's stuck. There's a piece of the side. Oh, and it's down now, but a piece of...
yeah, that's the danger. The danger of the wheel guard is when they impede your wheels. Oh, that was a nice hit right there.
Oh, the piece is gone now. Oh, and another shot.
Oh, man, RoButt is getting demolished in the corner here.
RoButt is completely tangled from all those
I don't
shots.
think RoButt can move. Tap out. There we go, tap out. Man, that was a tap out.